In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Windows 11 error called Status Stack Buffer Overrun. This error appears when a program or game crashes with a blue screen or app error. It looks serious, but it can be fixed. This error usually means Windows or application files are corrupted. We will start by repairing system files. Click Start and search for Command Prompt. Right-click it, choose Run as Administrator, type SFC/scannow, and press Enter. This scan checks and repairs missing or damaged system files. Wait for the scan to finish. It may take several minutes. If files were repaired, restart your PC and check the error. If the error remains, run a DISM repair. Open Command Prompt as Administrator and run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Restart your computer after it completes. Next, check for a corrupted app causing the crash. This often happens with broken or outdated programs. Go to Settings, Apps, then Installed Apps. Sort by recently installed and find apps added before the crashes. Uninstall the app and restart your PC. If crashes stop, that app was the cause. If not, check memory and drivers next. Press Windows R, type mdsked.exe, then press Enter and choose Restart Now. Windows will test your RAM. Errors may indicate faulty or loose memory. If memory is fine, outdated drivers may be the issue. Open Device Manager from the Start menu. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Update network, sound, and chipset drivers as well. Bad drivers can trigger stack buffer memory errors. Next, check for malware or antivirus conflicts. Open Windows Security, run a quick scan, and temporarily disable third-party antivirus if needed. Some antivirus tools interfere with Windows system files. Now check for Windows updates, go to Settings, Windows Update, and install all available updates. Updates often fix memory-related crashes. Restart after installing. Try opening the app or game again. If it works, the issue is fixed. If the error persists, create a new Windows user profile. Go to Settings, Accounts, Other Users, add a new local account and sign in. If the error is gone, the original profile was corrupted. Follow these steps carefully in order to resolve the error. If this helped, like the video, comment, fixed, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tutorials.